In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then tap on face unlock here and enter your current login method. Following that, hit start. Wait 5 seconds to choose next and then keep your face in frame, following all of the instructions from your screen. Now name your face data however you wish to and hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!